Hey guys, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is click on images and then type heart in the search tab, and then as usual go into ownership, tick on free. Let's scroll down and look for our image. I'm looking for a heart-shaped image with a girl and boy on the picture. This one right here, and then insert image. Now there's there's two cards here. There's a pink and a yellow. I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to just go to the right hand side and click on this eye icon. So that removes the pink one. Now onto our first image, I'm going to go back to the right hand side and click on the eye icon, and that will remove the yellow card. Now I'm going to copy and paste this card and keep this to the side. Now bring both these cards closer. Okay, try to approximate the edge. Okay, once you're happy with that, you can go ahead, highlight. Let's go into align, and then unlock. Change the size. The width would be 12 and the height is going to be, the width is 22 and the height would be 12. Now I'm just going to go ahead and realign this. Okay. Now once you're happy with that, you can just highlight just to make sure. Go back into align top, and then we'll press on weld, and that's going to form one image. So that's going to be our card. Now moving on to the yellow card here, we are going to unlock and change the size with a width of 11 and the height of 12. Okay, let's lock this and we'll go ahead and make it. Now this is a simple card. Alright, I'll show you how to put them together. Thank you so much for watching.